So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can verify your Bitget account. So guys, if you want to verify your Bitget account but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So guys, first of all, you just need to go ahead and open the app. And once you're in this home page, at the top left corner button, you can see there's an icon over there. Just tap there and now you'll see many options over here like language, currency, theme, and many more. You just need to tap on my wallet over here, and once you tap there, you'll see even more options like backup memories, Google Authenticator, and verify authorization. So you can just verify your account by tapping on Google Authenticator. So you can just download the app, or you can use the Google secret key, and in this way you can just successfully keep your account safe and verify it. Or you can also tap on verify authorization over here, and now you will find all of your projects and tokens over here, and then this way you can successfully verify your account in Bitget. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.